welcome. Standard first, subject computer. Lesson number 4, using the keyboard. This is the keyboard, students. It has many small buttons which are called keys. A keyboard has in total 104 keys, which includes letters, numbers, symbols or words written on each of its key. The keyboard helps us to type letters and words on the computer. The cursor. The cursor is a blinking line on the computer which can be controlled by the mouse. It tells us the position from where we should start typing or writing. Different types of keys on the keyboard. Alphabet keys. The keyboard have 26 alphabet keys on them. It helps us to type letters or words on the computer. Number keys. On the keyboard there are numbers from 0 to 9. These keys are called number keys. The number keys also have some special characters on them. They can be used in a combination with the shift key. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor blinking line towards the left, right, up or down. Function keys. The topmost row on the keyboard from F1 to F12 are called the function keys. These keys are used for special kind of job or task on the computer. The special keys. Enter key. The enter key is the most important key on the keyboard. When you press the enter key, the cursor goes to the next line. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Spacebar key. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to add space between 2 words while typing a sentence. Caps lock key. Caps lock key allows us to type in capital letters on the computer when it is on. Delete key. It is used to erase or delete a letter or word to the right of the cursor. Backspace key. This key is used to erase or delete a letter or word to the left of the cursor. Shift key. Shift key helps us to use the special characters on the keyboard when used in a combination. There are 2 shift keys on the keyboard. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.